Determine the value of this d square y by dx square. So y is equals to what this? So dy by dx is equals to minus 5 sin x, okay, and minus 3 cos x. So here we have the value of dy by dx. Now this d square y by dx square, this is equals to what? Minus 5 cos x, as the differentiation of sin x is what? Cos x. Again differentiation of cos x is what? Minus sin x. 1 minus is already here, okay. So this minus and minus will be equals to what? Plus. So plus 3 sin x, okay. Now we have the value of d square y by dx square, and also the value of y is given here. So let us substitute the value of d square y by dx square, okay, and y in LHS. So if we substitute this value, okay, now see what we are getting here. This minus 5 cos x plus 3 sin x LHS, okay, plus y. What is the value of y? Plus 5 cos x minus 3 sin x. Now see this minus 3 sin x plus 3 sin x cancel, plus 5 cos x and minus 5 cos x cancel. So this is equals to 0 is equals to RHS. Okay. So this is all about question 11. Now let us start with question number 12. Now see, in question number 12, it is given that y is equals to cos inverse x, okay, y this y is equals to cos inverse x. We have to determine the value of d square y by dx square in terms of y alone. This has to be expressed in terms of y alone, that is, in the value of d square y by dx square, x should not be there, okay. Now dy by dx, differentiating equation 1 with respect to x, we get here cos this differentiation of y with respect to x dy by dx, and differentiation of cos inverse x minus 1 by root over 1 minus x square, okay. Now from equation 1, this x will be equals to what? Cos y, as y is equals to cos inverse x, so x will be equals to what? Cos y. So let us replace this x by cos y. So this dy by dx, this is equals to minus 1 upon root over 1 minus, here x is being replaced by cos y, that is cos square y. 1 minus cos square y will be equals to what? Sin square y, and root of sin square y will be equals to what? Sin y. So finally this dy by dx is equals to what? Minus cosec y, which is the required answer, okay. So we have we have to determine the value of d square y by dx square, no, so we have determined the value of dy by dx, okay. So now let us again differentiate this dy by dx with respect to x in order to get the value of d square y by dx square. So if we differentiate this with respect to x, we will get d square y by dx square is equals to minus, now differentiation of cosec x, differentiation of cosec x is what? Minus cosec x into cot x. 1 minus is already here, so minus into minus will be equals to what? Plus. So here cosec x into cot x, and differentiation of y with respect to x, dy by dx, or d square y by dx square is equals to this cosec y into cot y into dy by dx, and the value of dy by dx is what? Minus cosec y. So this dy by dx can be replaced by minus cosec y, so this becomes minus cosec square y into cot y, which is the required answer, okay. So this part is clear to you all. Now see question number, this was question number 12. Now see question number 13. Here in question number 13, it is given that y is equals to 3 cos log x, okay, plus 4 sin log x. Now we have to show that this x square y2 plus x y1 plus y is equals to 0. You all are familiar with the notation as I have explained you earlier, that y1 means what? dy by dx, and y2 means what? d square y by dx square. Okay. Now this is given and this we have to prove. So we need to determine the value of y1 as well as y2, that is dy by dx as well as d square y by dx square. So let us assume this as equation 1 and differentiate this with respect to x. Now if we differentiate this with respect to x, differentiation of y with respect to x, dy by dx. Okay. Now 3 is constant. Differentiation of cos theta is what? Minus sin theta. So minus sin log x. Then differentiation of this log x will be equals to what? 1 by x. So this part we have differentiated. Plus 4 again. This is constant. Differentiation of sin theta will be equals to what? Cos theta, that is cos of log x, and then differentiation of log x 1 by x. Okay. Now see, LCM will be what? X. If we take LCM x and if we change the side of this x, this equation becomes what? X into dy by dx is equals to minus 3 sin log x, okay, plus 4 cos log x. So we have determined the value of this x dy by dx, okay, which is equals to what? This. We need to prove this, okay. Now as in this expression d square y by dx square is there, so let us differentiate this again. Let us assume this as equation 2 and now we will differentiate this with respect to x, okay. Now see, if we differentiate this with respect to x, what value will come? Now this is Cn, this is our x into dy by dx, that is this is in a form of u into v. So x, keeping x constant and differentiating this dy by dx with respect to x, we get x into d square y by dx square plus, now keeping dy by dx constant and differentiating x with respect to x, we know that its value is what? 1. This side, this is equals to, again minus 3 is constant and differentiation of sin theta is what? Cos theta. So this is what? Cos of log x by, and differentiation of log x is what? 1 by x, okay, plus here 4 is constant, differentiation of cos theta minus sin theta, that is minus sin log x, okay, and differentiation of this log x will be equals to what? 1 by x, okay. Now see, again if we take LCM as x, okay, and we bring that x to this side, this will be equals to what? X square d square y by dx square, okay. Now see here, x square d square y by dx square, okay. Now here plus x into dy by dx, see this plus x into dy by dx, and here in RHS if we take minus common, okay, this will left with what? 3 cos log x plus 4 sin log x, okay. So let us take minus common, okay, in RHS. So this becomes, this is equals to minus, now 3 cos log x plus 4 sin log x. Now see this equation 1, 3 cos log x plus 4 sin log x, that is equals to what? Y, isn't it? So this can be replaced by y. So minus y, if we transform to this side, okay, this becomes what? X square y2, see d square y by dx square plus x into dy by dx y1, and this minus will become plus, so this becomes plus y is equals to 0. That what we have to prove. So here we get the result. Okay, now the next question is question number 14. Let us see that question. Now, in question number 14, it is given here that y is equals to a e to the power mx plus b e to the power nx. Okay, now show that this d square y by dx square by dx square minus m plus n dy by dx plus m and y is equals to 0. Okay, so this we have to prove that d square y by dx square minus m plus n into dy by dx plus m and y, its value is equals to what? 0. Now let us solve this question. Now as the value of y is given here, let us determine the value of dy by dx. Here differentiating this with respect to x, dy by dx is equals to a constant, differentiation of e to the power mx is e to the power mx, and differentiation of mx is what? M. So into m plus again b constant, differentiation of e to the power nx, e to the power nx, and differentiation of nx will be what? N. Okay, now again differentiating this with respect to x, we get differentiation of dy by dx, that is what? D square y by dx square. This is equals to here a m constant, differentiation of e to the power mx, e to the power mx, and differentiation of mx will be equals to what? M. One m is already here, so this is what? M square plus here b n constant, differentiation of e to the power nx will be e to the power nx, and differentiation of nx will be equals to what? N. So one n is already here, so this becomes what? N square. Now we have the value of dy by dx as well as this d square y by dx square. Now let us substitute the required values in LHS. Okay, so our LHS is what? D square y by dx square. So at the place of d square y by dx square, let us substitute the value of d square y by dx square, that is a m square e to the power mx plus b n square e to the power nx minus, it is given that m plus n into dy by dx, so minus m plus n, and we have the value of dy by dx, that is equals to what? A e to the power, sorry, a m e to the power mx, a m e to the power mx plus bn e to the power nx. Now this is the value of dy by dx, okay, plus m and y, plus m into n into y. Now we will simplify this, okay, and after simplification we'll get the value which is present in RHS, that is 0. So this normal calculation is there. Here see, minus m into am minus am square e to the power mx. See here, this is plus am square e to the power mx. These two will be cancelled. Minus m into b into n. So minus bmn into e to the power nx. Okay. If you substitute the value of y here, okay, what is y? Y is a e to the power mx plus b e to the power nx. You will find that here see minus m and b e to the power nx is coming. Here plus m and b e to the power nx is coming. So I am leaving this part for you all. You can simplify it. Okay, just simplify it. You will see that all the terms are getting cancelled. Okay, so it will left with what? 0. So here we get the result. So this is all about question 14. Okay, now let us start with question number 15. Question number 15. Question number 15. Here in question number 15 it is given that y is equals to 500 e to the power 7x plus 600 e to the power minus 7x, and we have to show that d square y by dx square this is equals to 49y. So now let us prove this. Here dy by dx is equals to, if we differentiate this y with respect to x, okay, we will get dy by dx is equals to 500 is the constant, e to the power 7x, differentiation of 7x will be equals to what? 7. Here 600 constant, differentiation of e to the power minus 7x, e to the power minus 7x, and differentiation of minus 7x will be equals to what? Minus 7. Okay, so this minus 7 into 600. Okay, now this dy by dx, we can take 7 common from here. This will be 500 into e to the power 7x minus 600 e to the power minus 7x. Okay, now here, okay, let us differentiate it again. D square y by dx square, again differentiating this with respect to x, we get d square y by dx square, 7 is constant, again 500 constant, differentiation of e to the power 7x, e to the power 7x, and differentiation of 7x will be what? 7, minus 600 constant, differentiation of e to the power minus 7x will be equals to what? E to the power minus 7x, and differentiation of minus 7x will be equals to what? Minus 7. Already one minus is here, so minus and minus will be equals to what? Plus. This is into 7. Okay, now again we can take this 7 common from here. Now if we take this 7 common from here, d square y by dx square, 7 into 7 49, this will left with 500 e to the power 7x plus 600 e to the power minus 7x. Now it is given that the value of 500 e to the power 7x plus 600 e to the power minus 7x, that is equals to what? Y. So this can be replaced by y. So finally d square y by dx square is equals to what? 49y. So this is equals to 49y, and this is equals to RHS. So here we get the result. Okay, so I hope that this question is clear to you all. 16. Question number 16. Now see, in question number 16, here it is given that e to the power y x plus 1 is equals to 1. Okay, show that d square y by dx square this is equals to dy by dx whole square. This we have to prove. Now, see, if we differentiate this with respect to x, e to the power y constant, and differentiation of x plus 1 will be equals to 1. Okay? Plus, if we take x plus 1 constant and we differentiate this e to the power y, we'll get e to the power y, and differentiation of y with respect to x will be equals to what? Dy by dx, and this is equals to what? 0. As 1 is constant, so its differentiation will be what? 0. Now e to the power y is here also, e to the power y is here also. Okay, so we can take this e to the power y common, or e to the power y x plus 1, this is equals to what? 1. See here, in the equation it is given that e to the power y x plus 1 is equals to what? 1. So e to the power y x plus 1, this can be replaced by what? 1. Okay, so here we will have dy by dx, this is equals to e to the minus e to the power y, as its value is 1. So if we change the side of this e to the power y, this will become minus e to the power y. Now again, if we differentiate with respect to x, d square y by dx square, this is equals to what? Minus e to the power y. Okay, into dy by dx. Okay, now see here, dy by dx. See, as we have determined the value of dy by dx, or as the value of minus of e to the power y is what? Dy by dx. Okay, here minus e to the power y is dy by dx. So this minus e to the power y can be replaced by dy by dx. Already one dy by dx is here. So dy by dx into dy by dx, that will be equals to what? Dy by dx whole square. So this is equals to dy by dx whole square. So finally we have proved that d square y by dx square, this is equals to dy by dx whole square. Okay, now if you have the next question, that is the last one, question number 17. Now see, this question is important, so mark it important. 17th one. Here in question number 17, it is given that y is equals to tan inverse x whole square, and we need to show that x square plus 1 whole square y2 plus 2x x square plus 1 y1, this is equals to 2. This we have to prove. Okay, now this is the question. Take a look of this question. Here the value of y is what? Tan inverse x whole square. What we have to prove is x square plus 1 whole square y2, that is d square y by dx square, plus 2x x square plus 1 into y1, that is dy by dx, is equals to 2. Okay, now if we consider this y is equals to tan inverse x whole square as our first equation, and we differentiate this with respect to x, we will get differentiation of y with respect to x dy by dx, differentiation of x to the power n is what? Nxn minus 1, that is twice of tan inverse x. Differentiation of tan inverse x will be equals to what? 1 by 1 plus x square. Okay, now bring this 1 plus x square to this side, that is LHS. So we will get 1 plus x square dy by dx is equals to twice of tan inverse x. Now this is our equation 1, let us consider this as equation 2, and again differentiating with respect to x, keeping 1 plus x square constant and differentiating this dy by dx with respect to x, we will get d square y by dx square, plus now keeping this dy by dx constant and differentiating this 1 plus x square, we know that 1 being constant, its differentiation will be what? 0, and differentiation of x square will be equals to what? 2x. So here we will get 2x into dy by dx. This is equals to, in RHS again 2 being constant, okay, we will take it out from the operator and we will differentiate this tan inverse x whose differentiation is what? 1 by 1 plus x square. Okay. Now here you just multiply each of the term from 1 plus x square, you will get the result. If you multiply both the side by 1 plus x square, or if we bring this 1 plus x square to LHS, we will get 1 plus x square whole square d square y by dx square plus 2x into 1 plus x square dy by dx is equals to 2, and that what we have to prove. Okay, so here we get the result. So this was the last question, question number 17. Okay, next that is, if you have any doubt from any other book, you can ask it, and if not, then we'll start with the new topic.